magsugod ka sa technical, nga dahil ato dahil ka sa content. Sa technical, well, I am not a cartoonist, by the way. Okay? But I think we can have I think my experience in the newsroom, because I've worked in the newsroom for 11 years, and even handled occasionally our opinion section where the editorial cartoon is, more or less, siguro, baon ako what makes for a good editorial cartoon. So, on the technical side, that is something that is readily apparent, obvious. Makita magiging mo kung kinsa tong nindot of skills, technical skills, in the way that they shape, in the way that they shape, in the way that naiuban, kuan kayo, very pronounced ang pagka-shape because they wanted to emphasize something. Ang uban mo kay dili kayo sa mo stick ang output sa judge or sa viewer because same ra og strokes tanan. I mean ang pagkalugod. Okay? So dili nimo maklaro, dili nimo kayo maklaro, maklaro man nimo kung imo jud klaruhon, pero mas nindot og tato kanang dili na bitaw jud ka mag-effort nga imo pa jud klaruhon. Ay naay mga maayo unta, maayo og now, very editorial, cartoonish of impact. But because ang shading o maybe sa skill sa pencil at sa penciling, dili pa inaanak kataas. So mauna nga mura mo pale in comparison with the other outputs. Okay? So sa katong mga outputs nga nagkinahanglan pa og more shading, I'm not saying nga kung more shading kay automatically mo ay makadaog. Ang ako lang is, mas na-emphasize manggod ang imong work if readily klaro na yun siya. Naa siya yung visual impact. So sa technical aspect, I think this is something that will, this is something that we cannot teach to you in just one day. So it takes, I think, ang kaning mga senior cartoonists diri, they may have been cartooning, they may have been making cartoons for the longest time in their life, maybe since elementary. And that just makes sense because like anything else, cartooning is really a skill man. Skill man siya. Kung kinsa to'y mas dako experience, mo dyan na siya. So maybe my point is practice pa. Kana, para maingat sa itong technical aspect. Sa technical aspect to, I'm not sure if this is technical or sa content. Daghan ang ubay-ubay na cartoonist, walay label. Okay? So, okay ra kung walay labels kung ang imuhang object nga gi-portray is universally understood as a representation of something. Say for example, the man with the
salakot.
Say tawagan na
Salakot.
You don't have to label it because we can understand that it's Philippines or Filipino, etc. But for others, like say for example, US, Estados Unidos. Okay? So kung Estados Unidos, maybe butangan na to og label diha nga makahibaw ta nga Estados Unidos or kana siya labeling na naasay uban nga ang label is too wordy. Usa sa ka-sentence na ko'y nakitaan. Avoid na. Because we want to minimize the labels, dapat ako sa ka-object o sa ka labels. May gani nga dili limit may if mas maayo man gani nga i-limit man gyud mo sa 3 ka labels. 3 ra gyud sa ka labels, 3 or 4. Ang 4 kay borderline nga kuan na ang imong idea or ang imong concept is no longer cohesive. It's no longer compact because you have lots of labels competing for the reader's attention. And in visual, actually cartooning is part of visual journalism. And in visual journalism, it's all about, we have a theory called the Gestalt theory where we look at the visual concept, we look at the cartoon as a whole. So if we look at the cartoon as a whole, dapat siya nga kanang mura siya compact ang tanang elements. Each of the elements work together harmoniously to contribute to that single nimo nga idea or single nimo nga para mo-contribute imong concept. In other words, dapat dili katag. And the use of too many labels may make your cartoon katag. I have issues about the content as well. Sa content, it's very important na content sa content mo nag-review ko sa slide ni Sir Ramesh among resident cartoonist sa Freeman. Intellectual factor. A cartoonist doesn't just have to be technically adept. Maayo mo drawing. That's the immediate requirement, but behind that requirement, dapat sa mo kay bawo mo kung tagaan ng topic, dapat kay bawo mo nindot yung mga concept o ideas. So intellectually, dapat bright sa mo or aware. And most artists are actually mga bright. I'm not sure if that's true also. But I am pointing that out because importante magugayo ng topic kay hatag sa judge. Naiuban sa inyo ha, i-reduce na ata ang topic nga ang akong specific topic to a generic concept. For example, secondary. The night Facebook went down, are we better off with or without social media? And yet, ang gidrawing, ang gi-cartoon, is more or less more disadvantages and advantages of social media. So, I was waiting for that one article, one cartoon, nga nirelate na itong nahitabo 3 nights ago, na wala tayo Facebook. I'm not sure if you experienced that. Oh. And then, ang output, mura lang o advantages and disadvantages of media. So, if you are intellectually aware, socially aware with what's happening around you, then you would immediately know, bitaw, no? Na-down man ito ang Facebook nga app or site 3 nights ago. Okay? So ayaw ninyo lang i-reduce to social media because the judge is specifically looking for that Facebook angle. Another thing, the secondary, Filipino. Sang-ayon ka ba na hihingi ang Pilipinas ng tulong mula sa Estados Unidos laban sa China? But, unsa ba inyong himo? You reduce your cartoon to a mere Philippines versus China nga idea. You have to read the topic. It's specifically asking, sang-ayon ka ba nga the Philippines will ask help from the US? So, as a cartoonist or as a judge, I was expecting that there should be elements in your cartoon that would indicate
US.
nga US ang angle. Ang uban ginag-drawing naman og Pinoy ug China. So where's the US angle there? Okay, nindot unta, pareha na i-display diha. Nindot unta og technical aspect but the content is big. Pero ang tagal og chance kay basig maday during enhancement. But next time, the next time that you join, okay, do not reduce a specific topic into a generic topic. There's a reason why he specified sa judge na maog ito sa topic. Okay? So, kana. What else? Naasay uban, sir, natay uban na i-disqualify because man-follow sa guidelines. Okay? Nagamit daw og charcoal. Charcoal is not allowed. Charcoaling is not allowed. Charcoaling. Charcoal is not allowed. Kung ano katurang Mongol pencil number 2. Isa nagamit og charcoal. Nay nagamit og charcoal.
Di man na manugtan.
So, next time, please ayaw gamit og charcoal. Wala din mo na briefing dito sa kuan sa district press ko ninyo nga pencil Mongol 2 ra gyud ang gamiton. I-briefing no. Wala. Dugay na daw na. So by now you are expected to have already known, and then dili lang nato i-tolerate because basig kuan. Basig that will become a precedent, and then if they consider ano man lang ito ginanato ato na lang. So do not use anything na wala sa guideline. What else? You have to expect the unexpected sometimes in terms of the topic, especially nga kung kamo madamo sa regional. Expect na lang dyan. Mag-practice mo, okay? Mag-expect mo nga wala ninyo na practicean ang topic, pero dapat naka-practice mo sa mga common na topic. Wala nagpasabot nga, ato na lang po mag-drawing kay di na lang po mo practice diri because for sure lain man yun ang topic na ihatag. No, that's not the attitude that a good cartoonist must have. Or any campus journalist for that matter. Okay? Dapat every single basic and common topic inyong napraktisan. Okay? Kaya wa ito kay bao basin sa di ay mugawas ng topic dito. Okay? And then, in terms of, aside sa visual impact, nindot yun siya creative and original ang concept. A cartoon nga wala pa na itong nakitaan before. So, competition magudlian ang mga judges kay every year sila ang kwaon nga judge. So, kay pausa sila unsa na yung mga common nga mga concept. Ang kita, mga common sa ang kita maybe ibaw na taon sa mga common na concept. So, if you can come up with something that you think is new, wala pa nakitaan before, or concept nga very original, groundbreaking concept, mas maayo. So, kaning as a cartoonist, dapat you should not stop looking for new ideas. Artist magkamo. Okay, artist magkamo. You should have your own kuan. You should have your own style and trademark. Okay? And you should not stop just by copying the common labels out there. Snail or slow pace, turtle, etc. Okay? I think maura to ako ang maurag to ako mga. And then kuan I'm not sure if unsa ang taste sa judge, pero feel na ko ang kanang penciling nga hugaw pagka-pencil, tila ko kay dili mo sumapla sa judge. Kung hugaw ka penciling